your child refusing certain foods or eating only a few favorites? Picky eating usually means a child eats only a limited range of foods, rejects certain textures or colors, or refuses to try new foods. This is often normal between ages 2 and 6. It's usually not a concern if your child is growing well, eats at least some foods from different groups, and meal times are generally calm. But seek advice if growth is poor, whole food groups are avoided long-term, or meals cause stress and anxiety. There are simple strategies that can help. Keep meals and snacks on a routine. Avoid pressuring or bribing. Offer small portions and let your child choose how much to eat. Limit meals to 30 to 45 minutes. Model healthy eating. Children copy what they see. If you're concerned about growth, nutrition, or your child eats only a very small range of foods, a pediatric assessment can help.